We are now going to see the 8th sloka in chapter 13. As I said earlier, in other versions it could be 7th sloka. So from now onwards, in 5 consecutive stanzas, we are going to see a set of virtues. So you may consider it like this. When Krishna said, Idam Shariram Kaunteya and Kshetragyam Chapimam Vidhi Sarvachetreshu Bharata, if these two slokas are library, a book is there for information and your understanding. From now to 5 slokas onwards, it is a laboratory where you have to experiment yourself and get the benefit out of it. So I am reading the 8th sloka. Amanitvam adam vidvam ahimsa kshantirarjavam acharyopasanam saucham स्थैर्यम आत्म विनिग्रह अमानित्वम अदम वित्वम अहिंसा क्षांतिरार्जवम आचार्योपासनम शौचम स्थैर्यम आत्म विनिग्रह. These are all virtues as I said earlier. Amanitvam means pridelessness, humbleness. So normally we take pride in having education, in having lot of wealth, or in belonging to a particular community. So these prides are 3 prides normally we come across. So all these prides should go. This is amanitva. Adam vitvam. So free from hypocrisy. So it is also said, there is the person with Adam Vitvam, he will not be beating his own drums. So not telling people what all he has done and trying to become popular, making use of his talents and skills. That is Adam Vitvam. Ahimsa, you all understand it is non-violence. But you understand non-violence both all in deeds, thoughts and words. Then only the non-violence is complete, and what probably Krishna expects it from you. You should be non-violent in thought, words and in your thinking also. Kshanti, forgiveness, or it is also tolerant. You should be tolerant, and you should be as tolerant as the Mother Earth. I can also quote an example of the crane. Crane will be waiting in the water, standing one-legged for quite long for the right catch. So like that you have to be patient and waiting for the real opportunity. We can Chantihi can be you can learn from the practice of the crane. Arjava, simplicity. You should be very simple. Sulabha. So there is a name in Vishnu Sahasranamam, and we can also see in Suprabhatam it comes Swatas Sarva Vide Sarva Saktaye Sarva Cheshane Sulabhaya Sushilaya. That Sulabhan you should be ready to welcome any people with any complaints, so that he will be of some help to them. Saucham, cleanliness in body and mind. You have to have a clean body and pure mind. This is the ultimate purity. And sthairiam, steadfastness. So you will be sticking to a particular path about which you are convinced that it is going to take you in the right direction. That's sthairiam. Atma vinigraha. So you have full control over your body, in the sense that you know what to do and you know what you should not do, so that you will be able to attain the spiritual goals you have designed for yourselves. So these are all the qualities a person. It is not enough we know that, we have to practice and see where it leads you. So that is why I was telling this sloka is also such a laboratory where we have to experiment and get the results. Now I am reading the sloka again. Amanitvam adham vitvam ahimsa kshantirarjavam acharyopasanam saucham sthiryam atma vinigraha. I missed to tell about acharyopasanam. So you have to worship, pay respects to the right masters. That is right. Now we can now in modern times, so we can say that we should always be ready to learn. The desire for learn should never die. So that can also be as the taken as the meaning for acharyoupasana, because the ultimate thing is learning so that you become a better person, make use of your knowledge in going ahead in the spiritual path. So I forgot to tell that, so I am telling that now. Now that is also a quality. I am reading the sloka again. Amanitvam adam vitvam ahimsa kshantirarjavam acharyopasanam saucham sthiryam atma vinigraha. Amanitvam adam vitvam ahimsa kshantirarjavam acharyopasanam saucham sthiryam atma vinigraha. Thank you. Hare Krishna.